Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your desktop look elegant and beautiful. So to start off, I'm putting the link in the description to download this zip file. Alright, so now after you're gonna unzip it. I've already unzipped it. So let's open it. And now I have the wallpaper over here. There are the icons, config file, dock, and the Rainmeter. The Rainmeter includes the Rainmeter app, and the Nexus dock includes the Nexus setup and the readme file. So let's go ahead and download both of them. You can see, so let's go to the standard installation since it will download everything, and I have my settings at default, and let's install. So let's run Rainmeter. I'm gonna click on finish, and this should probably run Rainmeter. And let's wait while it runs. So you can see my Rainmeter logo over here. It's not running on like that for me because I already had it installed and I have the themes already in my system. So I'll go and install my Nexus setup. So click on yes. Click on accept, because if you don't accept you can't download it. This is the WinStep Nexus dock. This is gonna get you a dock which looks more like the one in the macOS system, and the Rainmeter is used for basically getting widgets in your system. Both of these apps are really nice and easy to use. So I'm gonna click on next so that it launches Nexus, and while we wait over here for it to unzip all the theme files and then finish the setup, now you can see. Alright, so now let's click on Nexus, and once you're over here you can see there's all sorts of nice animation. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on advanced, and then you're gonna have to come down to maintenance and let's go to restore. So once you click on restore, I'm going to go to my file which is right over here, and then you have to come down to config files and you have to click on dock icons config, this file right here, double click on it and then close this. Now you're gonna find that the apps are not present here, so all you have to do is remove from dock and then go ahead and remove all of these items from your dock. So let's remove. And once you're done removing from dock, we're gonna have to again get back the applications, and getting it back is really very easy. I'll show you how in just a second. So now let's assume I want my Active Presenter shortcut. So I'm gonna bring it down and you see it says link. So all you have to do is just leave it, and now you see it's ready. Now the same way I'm gonna bring my Chrome web browser and my Microsoft Edge. Also I can move my Active Presenter from this side, and I'll bring in this as well, and also I'll bring here. Now what if I wanted this PC file? So all I have to do is go to this PC and then simply drag this out over here. I'm doing it so that it looks easier and you don't have to do much work. You click on link and all you have to do is delete this shortcut, and now you can see I have some of my apps right over here, but this just isn't it. Alright, so next we're gonna again go to the file we've just unzipped, and now let's go to the wallpaper and set it as desktop background. There you go, you've got a really beautiful background. Now let's go to view options and let's click on show desktop items and uncheck it, so you can see you don't have your desktop icons. Now let's go ahead and open Rainmeter. Right, so I already have my file. If you don't have, you're gonna have to copy the file to the file where the skins are present. I'll be adding a shortcut as well in the zip file. So now let's go ahead, double click on the clock and double click on this, And now let's go to player and double click on this, and I'll close it. You can see these are already in place, but you can also drag them and keep them anywhere else you like. Now there's gonna be a problem when you first do it. So every time you're gonna open a browser or anything, this is gonna come in the page. Right now it's not coming because I have my settings already changed. So all you have to do is go here, right click on the widget, go to settings, position, and make sure you have the on desktop selected. Once you've done that, let's close this, and then let's go to our taskbar settings, and then over here you'll find the option automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. Let's enable it, and there you go, and right click on the desktop, and there we go. We have a beautiful elegant looking desktop. But this is not it. What if you want to change your icon? Absolutely, you can do it. So let's go over here, and once you right click on your I'm clicking on this PC, you'll find dock entry properties. Let's right click on it, and then you can click on change icon, browse, and then you have to go back to your file. I already have it selected, so it's showing to me on its own. I'm gonna double click on this and click on OK, and OK again. As you can see, my icon has changed. Let's do the same thing for Chrome. So change icon, and as you can see, it already has many Chromes, but I still want to change it, and I'll probably go back to this setup, and now I'll click on Google Chrome. Though it looks similar, but as you can see, it has changed a bit now. It has increased in size. You can also download many more icons from Google or anywhere else you like for these apps as well. For another instance, I'm just going to bring up. So you also have the logos for Spotify, and that I'll show you in just a second. So as you can see, guys, I have again brought back all my icons using the view and show desktop icons. The only reason I've done this is to get the Spotify. So I'm going to drag my Spotify and link it over here, and then I'll just delete the shortcut, and then once again I'm going to remove all desktop icons. And now let's go and give our Spotify an icon as well. So let's go to change icon, browse, we'll come back to Spotify.flat, let's OK, and you can see my Spotify icon has also been changed. You can get all these logos on the internet anywhere if you search once. I hope you liked this. If you liked it, please make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Also, please share the video and comment down below if you had any more problems, or if you think I should create more videos on different themes. Also, if you need some more themes, then please put it down in the comment below, and click on the bell button to get notified every time I release another video. Thank you.